Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. It's good to have you back. Today's video is all about how to go about selling on Amazon Australia, especially if you're based in New Zealand or Australia and you're looking for a bit of direction in terms of where do you sell? Do you sell on Amazon Australia or do you sell on Amazon USA or Canada? Because that's what everyone's talking about. And you've got to be on Amazon as USA. Man, you've got to be selling to the US market. That's where all the money is, right? Well, today's video, guys, I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of doing that, right? There are actually a lot of opportunities here in Australia. So we're going to be talking about that on today's video. So stay with me. We'll be back in a second. Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. If you've never heard of me, my name's Alex Ryan, author of How to Import from China and basically find products. So basically find products overseas very cheaply and sell them on sites like Amazon. So Amazon Australia and USA. Let me tell you right now, about 90% of our students sell on both markets. So they do the USA thing and then they do the Australian thing. And I think everyone should be selling something on Amazon Australia because of a few reasons. Number one, not many people are yet to jump. So some of the competitive niches in the USA, right? They're not as competitive here. There are products that are doing incredibly well in the USA, but there's too many people selling them, right? In Australia, there is only like 4 or 5 people selling some of these products, right? So we have a larger sort of, there's more piece of the pie you get. Over there, it's less piece of the pie and more people wanting slices, but over here, you get less people wanting slices, but you get a bigger piece of the apple pie, right? Or pizza pie, whatever you want. So guys, just think about that our market is kind of limited in terms of our population and people in demand, but there's a lot less sellers in Australia. Okay, so there's some products that are saturated in the US, but in Australia there's a lot of opportunity. Okay, so keep that in mind. But we want you, we train you how to sell in the USA as well as Australia. And the reason why is Amazon Australia probably hasn't had, well, it definitely hasn't had the full potential, right? So it's only growing. In fact, it could be 6 months, it could be a year, but they're going to go full throttle. Big W are shutting down, Kmart are shutting down. DJs, David Jones, right, in the Sydney CBD, just the other day said, holy moly, we're in trouble, right? Maybe not so many words, but it was all over the front page of the newspaper, right? They're letting people go. It's like a $300 million write-off, like a loss, right? It's nuts. So a lot of traditional retail are feeling it, right? They're going to be feeling it and they're going to be losing market share. Amazon will eventually be the number one. It'll be Amazon, and then it'll be basically maybe a little bit of eBay, right? But anyway, what I wanted to point out was it's good to have something selling here, even if it only sells maybe 20, 30 units a month. Get it here. Send 80% of your stock over to the US. Leave 20% off your stock here in Australia. Get some sales, because in 6 months' time, maybe a year's time, when Amazon really does take off, you've got a bit of a wave to ride, right? Because you're already there, you've already got reviews, you've already been established, and you've been selling your product, and people love you, right? People will recognize your brand. So that's why I'm saying sell in both markets, but send 80% of your stock to America, 20% off your stock should remain in Australia. Make sense? Hopefully so. All right, so I say do both markets. And is it easy to do? Yes, it is. We show you how to go about doing that, right? So we show you how to about listing your products on the American store, because it's two separate stores you need, right? American store and Australian store, but you need to have 2 separate accounts, right? So we tell you to send 80% of your stock there, 20% of your stock there, and sell on both of them. And you kind of want to build a brand. And that's the sort of stuff. I'm more about not selling products, but I'm more about selling brands. So if whatever you get involved in, whether it's a kitchen tapware, or baby products, or pet products, or maybe kitchen appliances, right? You want to not just sell any old knick-knack with no name on it. You want to sell your brand, your branded product, right? Put your label on it. Sometimes it's 5 cents, 10 cents extra per unit. Sometimes it's actually worth the cost, right? Because you want people seeing your brand. And then, you encourage them to take Instagram photos, Facebook photos with your product, wearing your product, using your product, and use that for your social media presence, all right? So we take a bit of an all-rounded approach to building your business. This isn't just about selling on Amazon. You do want to build a business. So you want to have the socials. You want to be on eBay as well. So you list your stuff on Amazon, you list your stuff on eBay. When someone Googles your brand, You want to not just be on Amazon, you want to be on Amazon USA, Amazon Australia, eBay, maybe like a little mini website potentially, right? Facebook, Instagram. You want to be everywhere like a spider spreading its web far and wide, all right? Because that's how you build a business on Amazon that's ready to sell, because people like that sort of stuff. They don't want to just buy an Amazon listing, they want to buy a business, a brand, all right? So just think, I know it's a little bit bigger thinking, all right, but a lot of our students come in with that intention. That's where we want you to sort of think, right? That's the headspace we want you to go, all right? So guys, thanks for joining me on today's video. I try to keep it nice and short. Have a fantastic day. If you want to check out my free online trainings, please do so. Head over to my website, the link is below, or give us a call. If you're serious about getting something started on Amazon and you want to basically talk about advice, right, or you want to speak to me or one of my team members, give us a call, 02-8003-7534. The number's on the screen. Thanks so much for joining us, guys. Have an awesome day and talk to you later. All right, bye-bye for now. My name's Alex Ryan. Are you looking to build a business on Amazon? Are you looking for hot products to sell? If you are, let's get this started. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell.
Never sold anything online before. I feel like I can actually get started and do it.
Product ideas, yeah, I've got many product ideas out of it. Alex has been able to show us how to define and redefine what products sell the best.
Alex is friendly, he's outgoing, he answers everything. He doesn't put you off about anything. Yeah, he's really good.
Listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? Are you looking for advice or some training on setting up your Amazon business? Maybe you've been thinking about starting an Amazon business for a while, and the number one thing holding you back is you don't know the first steps. Maybe you're looking for product ideas. Maybe you're not too sure how to go about listing it on Amazon. Maybe you don't even know how to go about finding hot products or even suppliers on Alibaba, how to find good quality products, good quality suppliers, all right? So we find hot products in the room. We look at suppliers. We actually find suppliers in the room, all right? So make sure you bring a computer. We list products on Amazon in the room. So we actually do the entire thing at the 2-day training.
It's the first time I've met Alex face to face, and he came across as very much the way it is online, very heartwarming. He wants to be there for you, I get that. He's not just come to my seminars and you'll never see me. No, it's very much you'll meet me face to face. Whatever I'm telling you online is what I'll be telling you in person.
I'd recommend this conference for anyone that's really considering the online environment. One of the things that really impresses is the way that they've taught us not only the sales side, but also how to source the products, and that's why I was attracted to the course in the first place. So anyone that's thinking of selling products online, this course would actually be beneficial.